Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Best Knowledge Stuff. In this video, let us discuss about force and its types. So let's start the video without any delay. In this video, let us discuss about number 1, what is force? Number 2, what are contact forces? Number 3, types of contact forces with examples. Number 4, what are non-contact forces? Number 5, types of non-contact forces with examples, and number 6, how would earth be without any forces? Topic number 1, what is force? Any change in the motion of an object due to external surroundings is known as a force. Topic number 2, what are contact forces? Contact force is any force which requires contact to occur. Number 3, types of contact forces. What is frictional force? The force which opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact is known as the frictional force. Running, walking, writing are all examples of frictional forces. What is muscular force? Muscular force is the physical force where we use our physical strength to change the motion of an object. Bending, lifting, and carrying things are all examples of muscular force. Number 4, what are non-contact forces? A non-contact force is a force which acts without any physical contact. Number 5, what is magnetic force? Attraction or repulsion due to the electrically charged particles is known as magnetic force. Example of magnetic force is magnets attracting iron. What is gravitational force? Force of attraction between two objects due to their masses is known as the gravitational force. Example of gravitational force is tossing a ball up. So, when we toss a ball up, then it reaches back to the ground due to the gravitational force. What is electrostatic force? A force which is created due to the rubbing between two materials which leads to attraction or repulsion is known as electrostatic force. Example of electrostatic force is the comb attracting pieces of paper. So, when the comb is rubbed with our hair, it attracts some pieces of paper as it acquires some electrical charges from our hair. So, it is an example of electrostatic force. Number 6. What would happen if the earth lost all of its forces? Surprisingly, if the earth lost all of its forces, then it would break into tiny minute particles as there would be no force to control its pressure inside the inner core. So the earth would break. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Best Knowledge Stuff.